Very excited because today I finally able to have enough time to do an unboxing of one of my recent purchase. This is my Rimowa compact traveling luggage. It just arrived, so I'm really anxious to see how it looks. As you can see, I purchased it online. I have got the original trunk and the carbon classic, which I will do another review on. But right now, let's play with this one. All right, got a knife here. All right. Oh my goodness, this thing looks good. Okay. All right. Okay. Hopefully I don't screw this up. Oh. Okay. All right. Can't wait. All right. Let's take this out of the box here. Put the box away. And then you have the case right here. Oh my goodness. I think this is the... Here you go. Can you guys see it? Okay, good. So you can see nice, pretty nice bag, and then oh my gosh, it's nice. Okay, so I got a label, original compact case right here. Put it away. Let's see what this one is. Oh man, okay. Rimowa. I love this color. I think the compact come with only one color, which is the silver aluminum. As you all can see, the lock. Okay. The tag right here. Well, the reason why I picked this one because originally I choose between the Pilot versus the compact. I choose the compact because of a main reason is, you know that the Pilot you need to take down the handle before you can open the case, right? But this one you don't. So you can still have the handle up, and this case is still able to open it. Okay, so let's say you go for the security check and you want to get things in and out from the back. There are 4 steps you have to take, right? From this one. So I have like a cup holder. So first of all, you need to take away the cup holder for your drink. Then you lower this thing, and you open 1 lock and open 2 lock in order to get to your stuff. But with the compact, all you have to do is unlocking. There's only 1 lock, right? 1 lock, and you can grab the stuff, for your security check. Very easy. And people say, hey, but the Pilot, you can open the top and get it, grab the stuff very easily because it's like an open top style bag, luggage. This one too, look at that. You can open the bag and get your stuff like that too without taking out anything. It's amazing. And if you look at the spec, the compact case is dimensionally is smaller than the Pilot, but yet the capacity is higher than the compact. Okay, so you can see because the way the handle and the top of the Pilot case is kind of taking up more usable space, but the compact is very well used of interior space. Oh, let's see. Let me get rid of this bag right here. Okay, so you can see the front, the side here, the back. Oh, I love this thing. It's so easy. Now I can go business trip without worry about, packing a carry-on. I can just leave this one. Good for 1 or 2 day trip. And this side here. So let's see the hand. The handle is very wide. Oh wow. Okay. Interesting. Look at there's like a little removable pad right here. So let's see. I can't really roll on the grassy area, but let's see. Let's see the bottom here. So you can, well, everybody knows Rimowa. They know the wheels are amazing. They have ball bearing, so it's really smooth. So I really love that. So the lock, only one lock. This is what I love about a compact. Only one lock. You don't need to have massive both lock. So for those of Rimowa, you know that if you pack this thing really full, as you open the classic case, it's a little bit stuck sometimes because you're too close. You have to kind of, you know, tuck it in a little bit before the lock come out. But the original, this lock, you just press the button here and it will pops out. And because it's only one lock, you really can get your stuff so fast, okay? I wonder if this is made in Germany or Canada. Let's see. Actually, I can't see. All right. Dude, I cannot see what's going on. Canada, yes, made in Canada. Good. All right. So let me rotate it right here. Okay. You have a luggage tie right here. You have your laptop area right in the middle. Fit up to 16 inches laptop with a sleeve. Some pen holder, some passport, cell phone holder. And then this side you have a designated, you know, clothing, toiletry, all that stuff go into this bag. Oh man, I love this thing. Looks so nice. Looks so nice. Okay. Very well built. Look at a zipper right here. Okay. Very nice. Okay. Okay. So you can see. So close it up. One lock and you're good to go. All right. This is why I get the compact, because it's really compact, you know. The other one I think is 18 or 19 inches wide, which is a bit longer, wider. This is like 16, which is smaller. You can see it's more compact, so you can still put your personal items on top when you travel. I really love this thing. Okay. I can't wait to use it with my next trip. Yeah, this thing is it feels like a tank, really. You can see how beautiful the aluminum is. And then this side here, really well built. Let me see this one here. Let's go down here. Okay, right here. Rimowa. So you say, why are you buying 2 or 3 of these luggages? First of all, I'm spending more time traveling, business trip and personal this year. So I wanted to get all my luggage in place. Think about it. If we all know LVMH is going to increase the price over time, why buy later when you know they're going to jack up the price, have another price hike down the road, when you can just buy it right now and start enjoying it? Well, it's going to, because of inflation and price hike, things will only get more expensive down the road. So if you need something, my philosophy is, you know, buy it now and start using, enjoying it. Life is short, may as well use it. So, and you know me, I like to collect things that age well. I want to see this thing not abused, right? I want to see this thing patina and look cooler with wears and, you know, things. Natural one, not radic. Natural ones over time, so it will be more tell like a story and journey, right? As you use it, you accumulate all the wears, all the scratches. Those are the cool stuff, right? I don't like new shiny bag. I want well-used items, so this is one of those. All right, I hope you like this video. Leave me a comment if you have Rimowa. If you have like a compact, let me know what you like about it, what you don't like about it. I want to know for real. If you have pilot and or you know compact, let me know. I really also interested to know about the pilot also. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment and I will post more next time, and I will probably cover the Rimowa carry-on cabin classic and the trunk later. All right, thank you, talk to you later.